Welcome to Salem Witch Trials Daily. I'm Josh Hutchinson.
This is Sarah Jack. Today, May 4th, 1692, was not just any Wednesday in Massachusetts. Elections were held in Boston even though the government was due to change due to the impending arrival of the new Royal Charter of the Province of Massachusetts Bay, the new name for a territory encompassing the Massachusetts Bay Colony, the Plymouth Colony, Maine, and even parts of modern Canada, Nova Scotia, and New Brunswick.
Simon Bradstreet was elected to continue serving as the acting governor until William Phips got back from London with the new charter. In effect, he continued in this role for 10 days. William Phips arrived in Boston to take over for him as governor on May 14th.
Thomas Danforth was elected to continue as acting deputy governor.
Danforth would also serve for about 10 days and then be replaced by William Stoughton, who had been appointed lieutenant governor of the province of Massachusetts Bay by the king. And according to 81-year-old Bray Wilkins, John Willard afflicted him today. The incident happened at the home of Bray's brother-in-law, Richard Way, who was hosting a lunch for the people making their way down to Boston for the election.
Bray described the scene in an August 4th deposition. He said many friends were already seated at the table when he arrived, including former Salem village minister Deodat Lawson and his wife Deborah.
Before Bray sat down, his son, Henry Wilkins Sr., arrived with John Willard. John looked at Bray in such a way that Bray had never seen before.
Bray recounted that when he stepped into the next room, he was taken with a strange condition. He could not eat anything, and he could not pee. He said, "I cannot express the misery I was in, for my water was suddenly stopped, and I had no benefit of nature, but was like a man on a rack."
Bray wrote that nobody there knew how to help him, but a woman accounted skillful came hoping to help him, and after she had used means, she asked him whether one of those evil persons had done him damage.
Bray would go on in this condition for 3 or 4 days. He couldn't even remember how long. It was agony, but he was in Boston a few days recovering before he could travel to Salem Village again.
Today was also the day when Field Marshall John Partridge delivered George Burroughs to Salem. Remember to like and subscribe to help other people find the show. Thank you.